Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Anissa Fosius Suswandari and I'm a first author for this paper. I'm one of the students at Muhammadiyah Purwokerto University majoring in elementary school teacher education. To shorten the time, now I am show you this paper with the title The Effect of Using STEM Learning Models for Students to Improve Digital Literacy Skill in Elementary School. So, without further ado, let's just start it. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we know that, in the area of the fourth revolution now, as digital revolution, its very rapid development is able to have a great influence and dominate all sectors of people's life, including in the world of education. The development of information technology is part of the emergence of the digital revolution area. Before entering the digital area, the education sector had not yet implemented technology. But at the time of the outbreak of the COVID-19 virus, the education sector had just applied technology to its implementation in order to continue the goal set in the 1945 Constitution, namely educating the national life. So, the government implemented digital education during the COVID-19 outbreak to continue the continuity of education in Indonesia. Inevitably, we will continue to enter a different world order and system, having to adjust to the now fall due to the impact of COVID-19. During the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, the country of Indonesia, the government took the Ministry of Education and Culture, Kemendikbud, finally implement the learning from home policy. With learning from home, it is an alternative to ensure that students continue to learn. With the application of learning from home, the government applies the concept of independent learning by utilizing a learning-based learning. While this is a new strategy for teachers to be able to teach. Before utilizing a learning is carried out face-to-face at school. The change in learning habits from face-to-face to online is challenged. The chance of certain students continue to study during the pandemic is not easy. One alternative to ensuring students keep learning is to digital learning. Digitalization of learning can be in the form of the availability of learning devices, classrooms, libraries, conference calls, and so on by utilizing technology that can be accessed anywhere, anytime, with anyone. The implementation of learning from home is applied using the STEM models, where the STEM models is used to refer collectively to teaching and approach across discipline, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. With the existence of learning from home, it's hoped that I will be to encourage the digital literacy of students. The implement of digital literacy can be carried out by schools by constantly updating their curriculum with digital literacy to keep up with the acceleration of technological development. The purpose of implementing digital literacy is to educate school residents, especially students, in utilizing digital devices and communication tools or networks to find, evaluate, use, manage, and create information visually and creatively. In addition, digital literacy also aims to enable every user to use digital media visually, creatively, and responsibly, knowing the impact and consequence of applicable law. STEM is a term used to refer collectively to teaching and approaches across discipline, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. By applying STEM in learning, it can be poised to create the next generation of the nation in the area of globalization. So, STEM is solution in the digital area, especially in the field of education. Digital literacy is right to online learning experience by students. During the pandemic, students are faced with digital-based learning media to support teaching and learning activities. Proficiency in using media during learning can be seen from the understanding or knowledge of students when using this media. For example, the use of WhatsApp, Google Classroom, and Google Forms appropriately show that research examines the level of digital literacy in students in elementary school with the aim of knowing students' understanding of digitalization in learning. So let's move on the literature review. According to Paul Gilster in his book entitled Digital Literacy, Commandbook 2017, digital literacy is defined as an ability to understand and information in various from a very wide range of source access to computer device. Ferrosbers 2011. The STEM curriculum involves the 4C of 21 country skill, which includes creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, and communication. Kristiawan et al. 2019. In world of education, it does not only focus on technology use, but technology is very diverse and will be used according to the needs of learning. With the development of learning designs in addition to using software also involves the use of digital media. Okay, now in this section, we are going to talk about the methods. The research uses quantitative research with survey methods and correlational methods. The research designs used in the study was by using statistical processing. The study took samples from two elementary schools in the Kebumen region, Central Java, namely at SD Negeri 2 Geronggeng and SD Negeri 1 Tangerang. The data collection technique used in this study was by distributing questionnaire into elementary school. The goal is to be able to find out the success of students in using STEM models and their ability to use digital literacy. After this all, now we can see the result for today's discussion. So here we go. This research a study conducted to determine the relationship between the use of STEM learning models and digital literacy skills in students. In the study, researchers took data using questionnaire and disseminated them in the form of hard file. The deployment technique used a personally administered questionnaire technique. After the questionnaire is distributed, the researcher tests in the instrument by testing its validity and reliability. The results are valid. Then, the researcher tests using a homogeneity test. The results were homogeneous. Thus, it can be concluded that the STEM learning models has an effect on students in improving digital literacy skills in elementary school. This can be now because the STEM learning models has an important role in improving the literacy ability of students, where students can take advantage of digital devices and communication tools or networks to find, evaluate, use, manage, and make information visually and creatively, so that later they can improve foresee, creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, and communication. Next discussion. From some of the results of professional studies that researchers have obtained, there is an influence on the use of STEM learning models on the digital literacy ability of students. Digital literacy in today's area is very important, especially in learning. Students are required to have expertise in accessing digital media. Therefore, with the STEM learning model applied to improve the ability of students, It can be implemented properly so that students are able to develop their skill and themselves. Last but not least, I will tell you about the conclusion for our research. Digital-based learning implemented in Indonesia aims to support teaching and learning activities during the COVID-19 period. In this study, research used a STEM learning models applied to digital-based learning with the aim of being able to find out the influence of using STEM learning models for students to improve digital literacy skill in elementary school. In addition, with STEM-based digital learning, students can also take advantage of digital devices and communication tools or networks to find, evaluate, use, manage, and create information visually and creatively, so that later they can express policy, creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, and communication. So guys, that's enough for the day. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.